Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Students, today we are going to start mathematics of class 8th. We are going to start with chapter number 2. The name of chapter number 2 is linear equations in one variable. We are doing today its introduction part. Students, I have not taken chapter 1 first because chapter 2 you are familiar with it, so I decided to start with chapter 2. In standard 7, you have studied simple equation. It is related to that chapter only. So before starting this chapter, let me revise some of the terms from 7th standard. First term is variable. Students, what is variable? Let me first read out to you what is variable and then explain to you. The word variable means something that can vary. That is, I mean to say, that is, its value is not fixed. Variable is the word that keeps on varying. Its value is not fixed. It is not just 2, not just 3. You can give any value, and that particular value which is not fixed, it is known as variable. A variable takes on different numerical values. It is denoted by x, y, w, etc. Not just only x, y, z. It can take T, U, V, S, any alphabet. Constant means that does not vary. That is, its value is fixed. 2 can be written as 2 only. 6 can be written as 6 only. You can't change the value of 2. You can't change the value of 6. You can't change the value of 15. So, the numerical value which we can't change is known as constant. The third term which you already are familiar with is algebraic expression. A combination of constants and variables connected by some or all the 4 fundamental operators. Operators, which are fundamental operators? They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, is called algebraic expression. Let me explain you with the example. I have told you 2 is the constant, x, y, z, t, u, v, etc. are the variables. When you combine the constant and the variable with 4 fundamental, with some or all the fundamental operators, here we have multiplied 2 multiplied by x. So this is known as algebraic expression. Let me take another example. Here 3 is constant, 5 is constant. Now 3 is multiplied with x. So, and 5 is added to 3x. So here we took addition, we took multiplication and we combined constant term and variable. So it is known as algebraic expression. Same way, let me take another example. 3 divided by 2 x minus 2. Here you can see I have taken variable, I have taken constant, I have also taken minus, that is subtraction sign, and also I have taken division, that is 3 divided by 2. All these operators are mixed here. So this is called algebraic expression. Now students, let us move to the 4th point, that is equation. Let me first read out, then try to explain you with the example. an equation is an equality involving variables and it has an equality sign. The expression on the left of the equality sign is the left hand side. In short, we write as LHS, left hand side, and the expression on the right of the equality sign is right hand side, that is in short RHS. So what is equation? Let me take this expression 3x plus 5 and then add equal to sign and 0. This became equation because definition of equation says so. An equation is an equality involving variable and it has equality sign. Equality, that is LHS and RHS, equal to sign and variable, is known as equation. So you have understood equation also. Let us move to the next point, and from here onwards we are going to start with our 8th standard lecture. Now, linear equation in one variable, what it means? The expressions which form the equation contain only one variable. The expression which forms the equation, it is forming the equation but containing only one variable. You can see there it is only one variable x, no other variable, and the highest power of the variable appearing in the equation is 1. Here you can see variable, if it is x, its power here it is 1. Generally we don't write power 1. When it is 1 power, exponent is 1, we don't write 1, we write only 2x. That's why I have written only 2x. So the highest power of the variable is 1 are called linear equation in one variable. Now, why linear equation? Because its power is 1. Why equation? Because it is having equality sign, LHS, RHS. And why equation? Because it is having equality sign, right? And why one variable? Because it is involving only one variable. Let me take another example so that you can make sure that you know it very well. Second example, 5 divided by 4x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Here you can say equality sign, so it is equation. LHS, RHS, so it is equation. Let us see if it is one variable. Yes, it is having only one variable. There is no other variable involved in it. So it is linear equation, equation in one variable. Now let us see if it is having power. How much power it is having? That is exponent. Exponent here is 1. So it is linear equation in one variable. Hope you all have understood this. So let us move to the 6th and the last but very much important point, because it is very much important for solving the equations. Linear equation in two variable is solved using this. The word is transposing. Let me first read out and try to explain you with the example. Any term of an equation may be taken to other side with a change in its sign. This process is called transposition. Many of you will not understand what the definition says. So let me explain you with the example. Okay. Any term of an equation, this is equation, any term, either this, may be taken to other side. Here 3 is small, so I am taking it to this side. May be taken it to other side with a change in its sign. Here it is plus 3x. So if it goes this side, it will become minus 3x. Which change in its sign. This process, the process which I have done, taking 3 to the left hand side, that process is called transposing, is equal to, now I am taking this term 9 to other side, that means I am transposing 9, the term 9 I am transposing it to RHS, that is right hand side. So it will become minus, here it is plus, it will become minus. So this is known as transposing. If you are changing the position of LHS to RHS, if it is plus, it will become minus. If RHS to LHS, and if it is plus, it will become minus. And if it is minus, then it will become plus. That is known as transposing. Hope you all have understood. Now, there are certain rules for transposing. That also I will explain with the example. If it is plus in LHS or RHS, if it is also in RHS plus, and if you are taking it to the left hand side, then it will become minus. Here it is in the LHS side. If I am taking it to RHS, let me give you example with this. Here it is plus 3. If I am taking it to the RHS, it will become 2x minus 3. That means if the plus is coming to the right hand side, it will change to minus. Similarly, if the minus is going to the right hand side, then it will become plus. See here, minus 3. If I am taking this to this side, in next step it will become 2y is equal to plus 3. I am not solving right now, I am just explaining you the transposition. Okay. If it is multiplication, then what? Don't worry. If it is multiplication, if it goes that side, it will divide. Here you can see this 2 is in multiplication with x. So if I am transferring to this side, it will go that side and divide. So here it will left x and it is going to divide with the 4. If it is in multiplication, it will go that side and it will divide. Now the last example, that is if it is division this side, LHS side, and if you want to take it to the right hand side, then it will go that side and it will multiply. See here, in this example 3 is in division. I want to take it to the right hand side. So I will write therefore z is equal to 6 into 3. Why I multiplied? Because the rules says so. So today what I have explained, I am just revising it further. We have started second chapter, linear equation in one variable, and I have explained some of the important terms which are useful for this chapter. That is variable, that means the value which changes. Constant, the value is fixed. Constant and variable, if combined together with these 4 fundamental operation, then it is algebraic expression. And if the algebraic expression is given the equality sign and it is having LHS and RHS, then it is equation. And if the equation is involving only one variable and it is that one variable is having the exponent as 1, then it is known as linear equation in one variable. Linear, why? Because it is having exponent 1 only. Then I have discussed transposing. Transposing, I have given some rules also. If plus goes to if LHS is having plus and it goes to right hand side, it will become minus 3. If it is minus, then it will become plus. If it is in multiplication, it will go and divide on the RHS side. If it is in division, it will go in the right hand side and multiply. That is all for today's lecture. Hope you have understood this lecture. If not, please go through it 2 to 3 times. We will meet with new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.